Trust me guys, delicious. So Triple T and I are out for our 1 year anniversary, and I tell you, yeah man, the vibe is awesome guys, believe me. One year, right? 1 year. I must apologize to you guys because I was so drawn into the whole atmosphere of the place and just the vibe of the anniversary that I forgot to show you guys the appetizers, which was wings and fries, and the wife had deep fried shrimp for appetizer and thing, and we had the drinks after. So guys, we enjoyed ourselves so much that I had to bring back CJ there for a boys' day out lunch, you see? Yeah guys, so these are just some pictures where you capture the moment so you guys can really get an overview of our day. Done. Just a little bit of parenting advice as well guys. Treat the youth them man, carry them out sometime and make them go see other places, give them exposure. You know, bring them to new places and make them get a understanding of life, you know. Make them live little life too. It's not difficult. Sometimes if you really check the levels, it's not expensive either. So, you know, just put together a little thing and make the youth them feel good. So if you like this video, remember to like, subscribe and comment guys. And remember, just connect with the team man. Looking forward to seeing you guys on the next one. And as we always say on this channel, Jay says, and we are out of here.